So here we are outside, walking over to the drainage river behind my house. As you can see, there are storm drains that are supposed to be carrying this water here and tunnels underneath. There's so much water coming down the pipe. It's literally a river. I'm going to go ahead and walk across this. You can see very carefully. And here's the bridge that goes over to the school. Take a look at this, baby. That is called a flash flood right there, mama. Look at that. That is some serious water flow coming down here, baby. This is the kind of stuff we never, ever see in Las Vegas. This amount of water is unprecedented. I mean, maybe we'll get something like this once or twice in the summer. This is like the 10th time this has happened. We've got some serious climate change going on here, folks. I mean, you're talking, look at this. This water is a foot deep, over a foot deep. It's probably 30 or 40 feet wide, moving at 30 miles per hour. This is some major water coming down here in Las Vegas, folks. Major. Major, major, major. So I guess it's a good thing they wasted all this money. They didn't waste all this money. This right here, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that son of a bitch. Holy cow. Oh my God. We're going to have to get off of this thing in a second. Holy shit. There's some serious water coming down here, folks. This is going to be something we're going to have to get off of in a second, but I'm just going to let this film and just giving you an idea of the amount of water that is coming down here in Las Vegas. This is unprecedented. It really is. Look at this, folks. There's a mattress. There goes somebody's mattress. If this thing starts to shake, I'm running. I have no idea what that is. Part of them. Folks, this is an unprecedented amount of water. I've never seen anything like this in Las Vegas in my life. Look at this. Alright, folks, I'm signing off here. This might start to get a little dangerous, I don't know. Take a break. I'll come back to it.